So this person is Don Norman. Yes, he is a usability guru and the first person to have used UX in his job title at Apple. Okay, so this person is the first UX, I would say, practitioner, consultant, or person in the world to have the title UX or user experience on his business card. Right? Why? Because when he was working at Apple, he discovered that it's not only about how the Macintosh computer looks, but it's also about how it is packed in a box. It's also how it is transported. It's also about how when someone opens it and looks at it for the first time, when someone opens it, starts it for the first time, all of these things. And not only that, when someone goes to an Apple store, have you guys been able to go to a big Apple store? So now all others are copying the Apple store's design. But that was the time when Apple also came up with great looking stores, because they understood that it's the entire experience that matters to the user. So Don Norman says that I invented the term because he invented the term user experience because he wanted to cover all aspects of the person's experience with a system, including the interface, the physical interaction, as well as the manual. Now, when he says manual, it's all the after sales things that you would send to the customer, right? So this was the time when the focus moved from just an interface or a product to the entire end-to-end experience, including the service, after sales service, and the entire environment.